Hi everyone, welcome on. Today I'm going to take a look at this skill saw from Evolution, and it's the R185. So we take a closer look at it. This has a multi-purpose cutting blade, 185mm, cut through most materials, metal, tubing, copper, plastic and obviously wood. So this is an all-purpose blade, which is what I really like about it. I used to be a plumber, as you know, and back in the day if you use these and they weren't a multi-purpose blade, you could get a kickback when you hit a nail in a piece of wood. Very dodgy. But nowadays with this type of blade we can cut through anything. So we'll look at the functions of the machine. Most important obviously is our gauges here for angle cuts. So if we want to do one on the angle, we can slide the bed down like that, and obviously that means the saw cuts at that angle. Nicely done, nice little gauge on the front there for it, and that locks us in position there. Next up, most important one I think, is this one here, which is the depth of cut. We ping this up like so, and as you can see, that's giving us our depth of blade in. It's a good little mark there for it, so we can see where we are with that. That's kind of good. I like that. And lock it back in like so. Guides, very useful. Need on these type of machines. I think they're an essential thing. And that's this. Goes in there like so, and through, and locks down with a screw. And obviously you can put it around the other way if you're cutting from the other way and you want this stabilised on a piece of wood to get a straight cut. So else on the machine is exhaust port here. You can add that on, and a bag can go on the back of there to get rid of the dust and stuff if you so desire. Lastly, just show you the key for changing the blade. Sits in there, pretty easy. If I turn the machine round, obviously you can see there she goes in there. There's a little locker on the top, little black locker to hold that steady here. Push that down, it'll hold that steady, and you can change the blade pretty easy. And that's about all the functions. I think the next thing is to give it a try, I think. Here then, all the specifications for those that are interested in this type of thing. Gives you the lowdown on the whole thing, okay, and you can pause the video if you'd like to check those specifications out at your leisure. Right, before we use this, these and this, okay, before you do anything. Now this is what I often come up against, especially when I was taking up floorboards. It would be hitting a nail. To this end, I'm going to go through this piece of wood with the nails and see how this blade and this actual cutter gets on. Here we have it then, as you can see. Nails as well, straight through, no problem whatsoever. So gonna hit a nice piece of hardened chrome steel now. So how we get on, should be a real big test for it. Let's have a look. So we now have a piece of copper tube. So okay then, pretty good. I think so far that is a damn good cut. Now I was sent these to do as well, but I really need a vise to hold these in to cut this, and I haven't got one, so I can't actually show you cutting this, but I know it will do it because you've seen how well it cuts the rest. So I'm not actually going to show you doing these two bits. But otherwise, I can say I think that is a fantastic saw. There you have it then, the Evolution R185 skill saw. If you're in need of something like this, I highly recommend it. It's very, very good. So whether you're a tradesperson or a DIY person, good for everything. Okay, so that's it. That's all I want to do from me. You know where to go for all my stuff. Usual place, Derek and 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.